chief guest of the day, Dr. Venkata Chalapati Garu. Namaste, Venkata Chalapati Garu. Thank you for joining
Namaskar.
us.
Namaskar.
About him, he is the director at Annamalai University Center for Yoga Studies, specialized in yoga philosophy, pranayama, and Kundalini Yoga. Recorded with 6 PhDs, he guided for 11 MPhil scholars and more than 1,000 MSc projects. Huge number of conferences, seminars, and workshops, both national as well as international. He has written nearly 20 books for DDE program, which is a distance education program, and 2 books for yoga ontology for many universities too. His works were published in 30 national journals and international journals. Some of them are mentioned here in the presentation. Effect of yoga practices, metabolic syndrome, stress management, chanting of Om, healthy heart, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, Ashtanga Yoga, Pranayama, Surya Namaskar, and many more. In fact, his resume is never ending, and it was very difficult for me to put it so precisely in just 2 slides. May I request Mr. Dr. Venkata Chalapati Garu to give his views about the book?
Namaskaram. This is the greatest book related to mudras. First of all, I am very delighted to participate in this book releasing function of what it is called. It is called the Sampurna Mudra Vijnan, a complete guide of mudras. I really very happy to participate in this function. First of all, I congratulate the Yogacharya, Prakash Rao and Deepti, who wrote this beautiful book for the yoga community. It is a great contribution to the present yogis as well as the future yogis. Not only for the present yogis and future yogis, the research scholars as well as the other people, those who are seeking some of the oldest traditional contribution, but they are in the guide form. It's a very short form. Therefore, I congratulate Prakash Rao and Deepti, and also I welcome the great what it is called the peoples, those who are participated in this function. Dr. K. Satyalakshmi ma'am, the director of Pune from Ministry of Ayush, and my good friend Brijibhushan and Ravi Kishore, and that Natya Peruli, that Parvati Amma, and apart from that Ramachandra Bharati, and that the great participant who arranging this function, Dr. Pillai, and my good friend Nakeshwar Rao, and all the great peoples of the practicing present yogis as well as the future yogis. And I want to tell about some of them, some of the things about this Sampurna. Yoga is not a path of information, but a path of transformation. It is not a path of knowing, but a path of becoming. It develops virtues and values rather than lust and anger. Therefore, when I saw this booklet, it is a wonderful booklet, more than nearly the 500 pages, and which consists of 498 mudras, which is the complete booklet. You know about what is meant by mudra means scientifically. The mudra means seal or lock or gesture or bypass circuit or energy bypass circuit or emotional, devotional, aesthetic gesture or attitude, which is related to many texts like Hatha Yoga Pratipika, Hatha Yoga Ratnavali, Mutra Vijnana, Mutra Vidhana. Then apart from that, Pularnava Tantra also explain about this traditional way of concept of yoga mudra. This is act as a switchboard which act as a minute muscles as well as the important parts of your brain, which is interconnected with the higher brain center. Through the mudras, we can rectify many problems, because compared to asanas, the pranayama is very good. Compared to pranayama, the mudra is more effective, because mudra only stabilizing the energy, channelizing the energy, redistributing the energy, concentrated in the particular chakras. When we want to practice in the higher level, which is very helpful to the higher people, but this kind of elaborate text which is not available in the market, and we are seeking in the net or something, means which is also not gives certain complete guidelines. When I saw this booklet, which is wonderful, really they are contributed very well, and they are wrote everything from the aspects like hasta mudras, mano mudras, kaya mudras, bandha mudras, atara mudras. When we go to that, apart from this one, and then how the ritual practice is there, how it is helpful, what are the physical benefits is there, physiological benefits is there, psychological benefits, everything they are elaborately given, but in the what form, means in the juice form. It's a very simple form. This simple form is needed for the present society. Therefore, I congratulate once again. I congratulate Dr. Prakash Rao and his family. They are always supporting to this kind of things. His contribution in the yogic field is very high. I think I really proud of that Andhra Pradesh people. Always they are contributing many things. When I saw some of the secret things, when I saw from the Trilinga Swami, and apart from the Trilinga Swami, when I came to Hyderabad, many of the yogis, they are giving more importance for that ritual as well as that academic aspects. Therefore, this book, which may helpful to the peoples, those who are participated in the events, they maybe use it in for research purpose, not only the research purpose, but also the academic research and the training purpose also. It is very useful to each and everyone. Therefore, the yoga community really benefited. I request to Dr. Prakash Rao, don't stop this book alone. You must write more and more books. And really, I proud of DT also. They are contributing very high things. The English and everything, which is also very simple. Once again, I thank the family members as well as Prakash Rao, DP, as well as the participants, those who are invited me in this greatest occasion. I really proud of this greatest yogic community. Thank you, one and all, and thank you very much for this invite.
Thank you, sir. Thanks
Thank
a
you,
lot for your kind words.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.